Lip balms I'm currently obsessed with. The first one is Mama Earth Rose Tinted Lip Balm. It's a beautiful lip balm, and the shade especially is to die for. Moisturizes the lips and is very nourishing. Love this shade so much. The second is the classic Lotus Raspberry Lip Balm. This one we all have tried it and we all have used it a lot in our school days. It seriously reminds of childhood, and what a better lip balm than this one. Such a classic option. And the third one is the Elf Ride or Die Lip Balm. It's a beautiful lip balm, quite nourishing out of all, the most. The third one is the My Glam PH Lit Lip Balm. This again has a beautiful tint to it. It's a rosy color and looks so amazing on the lips. The fourth one is the Lotus Color Cake Lip Sugar. It's in the shade Rose. It's such a pretty lip balm with a beautiful tint. The tint is just to die for. It is the most tinted out of all the lip balms and is clearly beautiful. The last one is the Seas Beauty Lip Balm. It's again very amazing and quite nourishing.